So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class seminars, session one. We are having this on Zoom free app. So, I suppose everybody has joined the session. And a few things you need to remember. You have only 5 minutes of time to present your presentation, okay, your seminar. So you will be having 5 minutes, and later for 1 or 2 minutes we will discuss if at all we need to discuss. Otherwise we will push off to the next in the row. Okay, so you all must be knowing how to share the screen whenever your turn comes up. And let's begin. The Amar is not there in the session, and Aslesha is also not there. So we are starting with Arpita. ये कोई बात कर रहा है, उसकी आवाज नहीं. अमर, Aniket, your voice is not clear. Do one thing, rejoin. Do one thing, rejoin, okay?
He's waiting.
Who is waiting?
Amar.
Okay, is Amar there?
Some students aren't still joined yet. They are waiting in waiting room.
No, I have cleared the waiting room. Yeah, now it has come up. Okay, see admit all. I hope they have come in. Okay, let Amar come in and join and prepare himself. Can we start with Arpita? Arpita. Arpita Sakarkar. Arpita.
सर वेट 5 मिनट्स स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है.
Why so? स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही
सर
है. Let me
नेट
check.
प्रॉब्लम है. एक
नहीं,
मिनट
आपकी
सर.
आवाज बराबर है. एक मिनट मैं आपको Arpita, is it okay?
नो सर नहीं हो
अर्पिता,
रही है.
अभी हो रही शेयर?
नो सर.
मैंने आपको होस्ट किया हुआ है, देखिए. अर्पिता?
सर मुझे थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए, मैं इसके बाद में
अच्छा,
करती हूँ।
ठीक है. The next one on the row, in the row, who is there? Amar, are you there? Amar? Ashlesha,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll make you as Ashlesha Bhutti. Arpita? अर्पिता?
यस सर।
हाँ, आप अपने आप को होस्ट से हट जाइए. आप मुझे होस्ट बनाइए वापस. आपको मालूम है? हाँ. Ashlesha, now you are host. Share your screen and start your presentation. Ashlesha.
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Sir, it's not happening. I'm not able to share my screen.
Just check out whether you can share your video.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are visible. Now try sharing your screen.
No, sir, it's not happening.
Let me do it again. Gauri Girdhar. Who is this Gauri Girdhar?
Yes sir.
Come. Make me host again.
सर
मैं भी
Okay, whatever it is,
सोने के
you,
अलावा और कुछ तो कर नहीं रही।
बेटा आप होस्ट दिख रहे हो, आप मुझे होस्ट बनाइए. ठीक है?
सर आई विल ट्राई।
Do it fast, you know, that's why ऐसे समय चला जाएगा. मालूम है आपको कैसे करना है?
सर आई डोंट नो।
पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाइए. पार्टिसिपेंट्स की लिस्ट आती है.
सर शुड आई लीव द क्लास?
Leave again. If you leave, then the last person will become the host. कौन था पहले? आप मुझे करिए ना, पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाइए, मेरे नाम को सेलेक्ट करिए, उसको होस्ट बोलिए.
ओके सर। सर डन।
Okay, thank you.
वेलकम सर।
Ashlesha,
Yes, sir.
I have made you host. Now you try. Sheetal, put your mic off. Sheetal, put your mic off.
Sheetal, put your mic off. Sheetal, put your mic off. Sheetal, put your mic off. Don't do such kind of things in between the session. Sheetal, चालू. Nisha, can you share the screen? That's good.
Sir, is it visible?
It's visible. Sheetal, now you do one thing. Remove the Sheetal from the list. You are the host. Remove the Sheetal from list. Say mute all. Or say mute all.
Yes, sir.
Then unmute yourself and
Am I? Hmm. Am I audible?
Yes, beta, you are audible. You can start.
Yes, sir. So a lithosphere is basically a rigid rocky outer layer of the earth consisting of the crust, the upper mantle. Its general depth is about 60 miles, that is 100 kilometers. The rocks are heterogeneous, solid composed of many minerals. The physical and chemical properties of rocks are not strictly defined. Rocks come in different sizes, and there are three types of rocks, mainly igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, they are formed when magma or lava solidifies. When magma cools slowly, large rocks are formed. For example, granite. It is an example of a large igneous rock, or they means when lava cools quickly, they form shiny and glass-like rocks. For example, basalt. So igneous rocks can be of two types on the basis of how quickly or how slowly they cool. So granite and basalt are two types of igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are particles which sedimentary rocks are formed when particles settle out of water or air. They are generally soft and crumble easily. Uh, the common example of sedimentary rocks is limestone. Metamorphic rocks are existing rocks that are changed due to heat, pressure, or reactive fluid, etc. For example, marble. And this conversion also can take place from limestone when limestone turns to marble or granite turns to gneiss. The rock cycle, it's the formation of rock is mainly a cyclic process. Sedimentary rocks undergo the sedimentary rocks are under the pressure of heat and pressure under the influence of heat and pressure turn to metamorphic rocks, and on the metamorphic rocks on burial or extreme heat they turn into magma. The magma on eruption and then cooling turn into igneous rocks, which on weathering and erosion or transport etc turns to sedimentary rocks, and thus the cycle goes on. So this is it. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Your presentation was okay, but whenever you start the presentation, first introduce yourself. Okay, I'm
Okay.
so and
Yes,
so.
sir.
I'm so and so class.
Yeah.
We are presenting a seminar or a presentation on so and so topic. Okay,
Okay. Sorry,
and
sir.
rest of the things was good. And maybe you are using through mobile, right?
Yes, sir.
So see, you have used the PDF format of the presentation. So you need,
Yeah.
can you can rotate your like your mobile, so the whole
Oh,
slide comes up the full screen. Can you do
okay,
it
sir.
now? Share the screen and do it now.
Yes, sir. I'll try.
Yeah, yeah. Move it to the, like, rotate it to the landscape mode. On the full screen, we can see the each slide one at a time. Yeah, see, does it look good?
Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. It's visible. It's very well visible, and it looks good. Now shift the yeah. You touch the lithosphere slide. You touch it. It goes. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's fine, because it looks a bit bigger, and people can see it. Okay. Thank you very much. And at the end, you need to there are few tips which are needed to be taken care of when you do the presentation. In the initial stage, you need to introduce yourself with the topic on which you're going to speak. And in the end, you need to acknowledge the people or the sites or the literature you have surveyed or referred, the books or the internet, whatever. And not the internet, simply don't say Google. Google is a search engine from where you have fetched the information, the pictures you have taken. See, this is very important. This comes under the Copyright Act. You need to acknowledge the person or the reference or the literature which is already been published. So you need to refer it. You need to give proper importance to the person or the literature from where you have taken the information. If you have taken the picture from Wikipedia, tell the pictures were taken from Wikipedia. If you're taking the picture from somebody else's book or some other site, you need to refer that this picture was taken from, if the picture is very good, so you can very well inform. Otherwise, if you think the picture is not very important, to keep the picture there, but do write the references at the end of the slide. Before the thank you slide, you need to refer. So reference like so and so, the wikipedia.com or something science direct edu, something like that. Okay, remember that and say thanks at the end, and begin with your name. The next one in the row. Thank you, Aslesha. This was Aslesha, right?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Aslesha. The next one, Amar, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to come up with your presentation. Aslesha, make Amar as host. Amar Khurpade. Make Amar
Yes,
Khurpade.
sir, I've made him the host.
Yeah, that's good. Fine. Amar, any problem? Amar, are you there?
Sir, taking time for syncing. Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it shared?
Hello. Sir, it's taking time for syncing. Just a minute.
Okay, okay. Amar, you're taking it long.
Sir, हो गया. Just share screen share हो रही है.
Okay. Yeah, it's visible. It's been shared. It's visible. Rotate it. I think you are also trying to. Is there a network issue from your end? Yeah, good.
Sir, it's taking time for syncing.
The presentation is too big. I
Is it
suppose.
visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Composition of air.
Okay.
One of 23 slides. There are 23 slides. Okay, do it fast.
Yes, sir. I will wind up quickly.
Yeah.
My name is Amar, and I'm from CBZ Group, and my topic is composition of air. So basically, there are two broad regions that can be identified using composition of air, and that are the heterosphere and the homosphere. So basically, in heterosphere, it's the outermost sphere where where gases are distributed according where gases are distributed in layers by gravity according to their atomic weight. So basically, the lighter gases stay on the margin of the heterosphere, and the heavier gases stay at the base of the heterosphere. The second one is the homosphere, which lies between the Earth's surface and between the which lies between Earth's surface and the heterosphere. So, in homosphere, gases are nearly uniformly mixed, and the density of gases increase with the height above the surface. But ozone layer is the exception. So, in composition of air, there are mainly constant gases and variable gases. Constant gases are nitrogen, oxygen, and argon. And the variable gases are carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, water vapors, and particulate matter. Important components of air are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. So nitrogen basically it constitutes of 78.083% of the total composition of air. It is produced primarily by the volcanic activities. It is the main component of protein, and basically we can't ingest nitrogen directly, so we take it by plants. And atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by nitrogen fixing microorganisms. The second component is oxygen. It constitutes of 20.95%. It's important for plants and animals. And it supports burning. Free oxygen in atmosphere product. Free oxygen in the atmosphere is the product of plant photosynthesis, and plant takes up carbon dioxide in air. Component is argon, consists of 0.934%. It is colorless and odorless inert gas, and it is used to fill electric bulbs and fluorescent bulbs. The fourth one is carbon dioxide, which is an variable gas. It constitutes of 0.036%, and it is essential for photosynthetic process in plants. And here is a listing of key components of lower atmosphere. So basically, we can see the percentage of every gas which constitute air. This was my project on composition of air. So in the end, any questions?
Anybody with any questions? Yeah, Amar, I wanted to tell you one thing. The project you started, like few slides of your project about the composition of air, you used that cube and the different cuboids for depicting the different percentage of gases. This like I just wanted you
Yes,
to
sir.
elaborate that only, because I wanted that the concept of your presentation of composition air was very good.
Okay.
So I wanted you to make that project a bit more more evident, more significant, like. And these pictures, I think these were like taken pictures of the picture quality has been reduced anyways, but it's good. It's a good way of giving the composition of air
So, sir, should I
representation.
explain it?
Take 1 minute. Take
Okay.
one more minute.
So basically, yes, sir. So basically, we were asked to make a creative drawing or a creative project for on two topics. So I choose composition of air. So basically, जब हम एटमॉस्फेयर में लाइक एक ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट पे देखते हैं, सो वी सी द अनसॉल्व्ड क्यूब जो मिक्स्ड अप एयर है पूरी, एंड व्हेन वी गो टू कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर, so it gets solved, and so nitrogen consists of 78%, जो मैंने मोस्ट क्यूब के पार्ट से डिपिक्ट किया है, जो ब्लू कलर में है. Then oxygen, which is 21%. Then argon, which is 0.93%. Then the other components, which consists 0.04%.
Yeah.
तो बेसिकली सर उसका यही ये था कि क्रिएटिविटी में यही थी कि उसको जिस वे से प्रेजेंट किया है वो
Yeah, the presentation was creative. I understand that. And if you have taken that concept from some site or some book, you should credit that. It's not at all. See, even if at
sir
all
which one the
it's
cube
not.
one
Miss,
Yeah.
Miss, actually, Madhura is not singing in a way where we have to sing.
Hello. Yeah, Amar.
sir you are talking about which one sir the cube one
The cube one.
no sir that's original and the references I have used for the PPT is the book from Himalayan publication, Zoology BSc Semester 1.
Amar, make somebody
Thank you.
next host. Arpita Sakarkar, are you ready? Arpita Sakarkar. Arpita, don't waste time like all know the list has already been published. The next person should be there. It's not like that whenever your time comes, your name is say you'll present your seminar. Where is Arpita? She was there here. Now where is she? Atharva Lute.
Sir, she is joining. Sir, she is joining.
Okay, she has joined.
Huh, Arpita has joined.
Yeah. Arpita, begin.
शेयर स्क्रीन का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है मेरे फोन में.
हाँ एक minute.
Post.
Yes sir, done.
Yeah, done. Now Arpita share करो.
शेयर स्क्रीन का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है.
आप फिर रीजॉइन करिए एक बार.
फिर अनइंस्टॉल करके फिर से
जो
इंस्टॉल
स्टार्ट
किया.
वीडियो है ना नहीं जो स्टार्ट वीडियो का ऑप्शन है ना उसकी राइट साइड में शेयर हेलो
अर्पिता नहीं हो रहा है.
नो सर.
तैयार है अथर्व.
यस सर.
ओके. अर्पिता अथर्व को बनाइए आप होस्ट. अर्पिता.
यस सर कर दिया।
उस बना दिया। हाँ अथर्व,
यस सर।
and one more thing I would like to tell you all: whenever you're presenting yourself online, you need to, the presentation is going on, you're okay. So keep that in mind. Whenever you start your presentation, put your video on and your presentation on. Atharva, maybe I am pronouncing your name.
अथर्वा, इट्स अथर्वा।
Atharva. Okay.
सर यहाँ पे ऑप्शन तो नहीं आ रहा शेयर का, मतलब शेयर लिखा है लेकिन स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही।
शेयर क्लिक करने के बाद आपको एक विंडो खुलता है जिस खोले वो सब दिखाता है। आपको किसी को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ता है, फिर उसके बाद वो हाईलाइट होता है बटन।
मैंने
जो भी
सिलेक्ट
आप
किया लेकिन वहाँ पे स्क्रीन का
नीचे फिर
ऑप्शन नहीं है।
नहीं तो शेयर्स, जैसे आप शेयर स्क्रीन करते हैं, एक विंडो खुलता है जिसमें बहुत सारे ब्राउजर्स दिखते हैं। जिस ब्राउजर को आप चाहिए उसको टच करिए, सेलेक्ट करिए और नीचे से शेयर बोलिए। नहीं हुआ बेटा? Anyways, Atharva, you tried to find it out how it's to be done. Anyways, there is no, अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है। हम सबको मौका देंगे, सबको आगे करने को मिलेगा, प्रेजेंट करने को मिलेगा। If at all you are not able to like do it now, shift it to somebody else. That is, next one is Bhagyashri. Bhagyashri full name क्या है? Bhagyashri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So अथर्वा, आप भाग्यश्री को होस्ट बना दीजिए। आपका प्रेजेंटेशन हम बाद में देखेंगे।
यस सर बना दिया।
ओके भाग्यश्री, स्टार्ट योर प्रेजेंटेशन। भाग्यश्री क्या हुआ?
सर नहीं हो रहा।
Why you all people need to be like मेरे को लग रहा है कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा ओरिएंटेशन लेना पड़ेगा कि जूम में कैसे ऐड यूज करते हैं। एनीवेज, यदि आपसे नहीं हो रहा तो नेक्स्ट कौन है? दीक्षा निनावे। दीक्षा निनावे, आर यू देयर?
यस सर, यस सर।
भाग्यश्री, दीक्षा को आप होस्ट बना दीजिए। Diksha, you are host now.
Yes sir.
As I said, when you are going to begin your presentation, you need to put your video on and your screen share.
Sir, I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
Wait.
Facing problem?
Yes, sir. It asking sign in.
You haven't signed in?
No.
While joining the Zoom, you need to sign in. Otherwise, how will it recognize you? Anyways, do one thing, shift it on to another one. Who's that?
Okay.
Dikshita.
सर
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
सर वो फिर से साइन इन करने के लिए बोलता है शेयर स्क्रीन के बाद.
फिर से साइन इन करने को बताएं. तो करके देखे दीक्षा करके तो देखे क्या नाम है दीक्षा
हाँ,
करके देखा आपने.
वो नेट स्लो हो रहा है तो बहुत रोर कर रहा है.
ठीक है, आप शिफ्ट ऑन कीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, ये फर्स्ट टाइम है हमारा ये इंटरेक्शन, ऐसे ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, बट आई वांट इट टू रन स्मूथ. ठीक है, हम सीख जाएंगे एक दो बार.
सर किस पे होस्ट
को पास ऑन
करना
कर
है?
लिए, देखते हैं. दीक्षित आर यू देयर? हाँ, उसको होस्ट बना दीजिए. दीक्षिता.
नहीं है सर, यहाँ पे वो ना.
कौन है फिर? दीक्षिता है ही नहीं मतलब. फिर ये क्या दिशा लड़के? दिशा लड़के है?
नहीं. नो सर.
दिशा लड़के भी नहीं है.
नो सर.
ठीक है, लेट मी नोट. क्या नाम है? दीक्षिता और दिशा लड़के दोनों नहीं है ना?
यस सर. नहीं.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नाम किसका है नेक्स्ट लिस्ट में? फाल्गुनी.
हाँ.
Is Falguni there?
Sir, I asked you that I will present it on Saturday.
अच्छा, but your name is in second list.
हाँ
Somebody
sir,
else
but
was
I am
asking, I
not
suppose.
well actually.
Okay, do it on 19 then. Hitakshi, next. Hitakshi, is she there?
Yes sir.
Okay then.
I make her host.
Hitakshi respond नहीं करे. Where is she? Hitakshi.
Yes sir.
हाँ बोलिए, अब कर रहे हैं, आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं?
Yes sir.
हाँ करिए. हो रहा है बेटा, आपसे हो रहा है? हिताक्षी नहीं हो पा रहा या फाइल ढूंढ रहे आप? हिताक्षी रेस्पॉन्ड.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ हेलो.
हाँ सर, अगर उनका नहीं होता तो मैं प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ, मेरा सब रेडी है.
आपका नाम?
आकांक्षा गाड़गे.
आकांक्षा गाड़गे. आप तैयार? तो आपको होस्ट बनना पड़ेगा. हिताक्षी रेस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं कर रही ना, अभी वो होस्ट है.
अच्छा
Hitakshi, are you there?
सर विदाउट होस्ट परमिशन भी हम शेयर कर सकते हैं.
Without host permission share कर सकते हो. सेटिंग में जाना पड़ेगा मुझे. चलिए आकांक्षा. आकांक्षा
Yes, sir.
गाडगे.
Yes, sir. I am presenting.
हो गया? आ गया आपका?
हाँ आ गया सर.
राइट राइट, गुड गुड. चलिए शुरू कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
आपने आपने ब्राउजर शेयर किया. Yeah, it has come.
हेलो सर, मेरी आवाज डबल आ रही है क्या?
नहीं नहीं, आवाज ठीक है आपकी.
ओके
स्लाइड्स को बड़े कर लीजिए, स्लाइड शो पे ला लीजिए.
ओके सर. ओके.
You say F5 दबाइए, अपने आप प्रेजेंटेशन में चला जाएगा.
ओके सर.
Yes, yes, now it's there.
Thank
You
you,
can
sir.
start. Yeah.
Okay. My name is Akanksha Gadge, and my topic is water conservation. As you told in class, sir, water is only 0.3% for drinking and usage. So I got this concern, and so I chose this topic. And this topic is purely made by me. No internet, no books, nothing.
Very good.
Water bodies are home to many astounding creatures like jellyfish and many other fishes, which are rare to see in other water bodies. Ways to, sir, ये क्या है? Please move this window away. Something. Ways to reduce water wastage. Did you know that according to psychology, wasting water is a sign of wasting money, and it is proven by scientific methods. And all know that drinking water is available to us very less, about 0.3%. Maximum water goes in, at least 30% water goes in flushing toilets, except those who have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. So we could lessen the double flushes of water. Try and lessen the use of plastic water pipe while washing your cars and motorbikes. Instead, you can use a bucket and a mug. Let us save nature together. I love penguins, that's why. So I've compared some situations. Wasting water during dining at a restaurant by leaving the glasses filled, and instead we can ask the waiter not to bring the water, instead carrying our own bottle. Then a tendency to play with water during Holi. In India, we play Holi with water only, but we can try to play with harmless gulal also. Then we have, I have seen some water tankers driving through the highway by dripping water, and it is a huge amount of water. Instead, they can use good and well-maintained trucks for avoiding dripping. This is that quench your thirst, not of your shirt. Means people drink water by wetting the shirts and all. So that don't be a drip, save every drop. Main motive of this presentation is, from what I've personally learned, is that if you love something, you won't lose it. And so, if we love trees, we won't cut it. If we love water, we won't waste it. As told in the Holy Scriptures, Prakriti, Mother Nature, is our responsibility. If taken care wisely, we could save ourselves. Thank you.
Very good, Akansha. It was it's a different kind of presentation about the water conservation. Nicely
you, sir.
selected the topic, and it was presented nicely. Okay, as you said, you haven't concerned or referred any internet or any book, but
Yes,
for the
sir.
data you have collected the data from somewhere, right? Like the 3% वाला जो बात था.
सर आपने जो क्लास में पढ़ा है वही से डेटा लिया मैंने.
Okay, don't rely
So you are
completely
the
on me.
source. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways, but it was nice presentation. It was a different presentation. I liked it. You will have 1 plus point for it, and as
Thank you,
Amar
sir.
will also have 1 plus point for the concept which he has included. Anyways, now we have to wind up for today, and tomorrow there is no. But I would like to suggest to give you some tips. Before starting your presentation, you need to put your cameras on. Okay, you need to put your cameras on because the video will be in a PIP on the screen. And the second thing is that introduce yourself, which group and from where and which topic you're going to present. And at the end, you need to acknowledge the people or the books or the sites from where you have tried making the presentation the way it is now. And at the end, you need to thank you. Thank you for the audience. Thank you to the audience, and thank you to the helpers, the organizers, and everyone. You need to. This is the normal format in which you present, and you must have. This is not like किसी को मैं डांट नहीं रहा हूँ ना ही कुछ कह रहा हूँ. लेकिन एक बात है कि हम first time Zoom पे presentations करवा रहे हैं आप लोगों से. See, you all must have seen how how the things are not managed properly, because जब लिस्ट हमने पहले पब्लिश कर दी थी तो आप लोगों ने as per the list you should be ready. And I tell you one thing, एक लिस्ट, दो लिस्ट, तीन लिस्ट, चार लिस्ट, चारों लिस्ट तो एक दिन होने वाली नहीं थी. But why have I published the more number of students in the list? Because कोई एक नहीं कर पाया तो दूसरा तैयार रहना चाहिए. So those who have already submitted the presentation, that means they are ready with their presentations. You don't have to wait, but your name is called, you should respond. And one more thing, जैसे हम बात करते हैं, you have to be attentive. It's not like that you have put everything on, you have logged in, and you have put your mic and everything off, and you're nowhere in the front of the screen also. Whenever sometimes you keep the mics on, sometimes because of connectivity, you don't hear the audio too. Anyways, it was a good experience at the first hand, and we will improve in the second session. That will be on Saturday, and
Sir?
we will have. Yes.
Sir, may I thank everyone?
Yeah, please go on.
Thank you for all the students who have attended my presentation, and thank you, sir, that you have given me opportunity to present something very good, and thank you for your knowledge which have enlightened me also and my fellow students. So thank you, sir.
Now see how I respond. Thank you very much, Ms. Gadge. It was nice hearing you, and it was a nice topic which you have already selected, and there are the few things which we have never have thought of, but we usually come across in your daily routine. Thank you very much, Dr. Gadge. Sorry, Doctor बोल दिया मैंने आपको, Ms. Gadge.
Sir, and the topic, sir, and the topic credit goes to Mukul Kuthe. He suggested me the topic.
That's good. So these things you need to respond at the end. You need to acknowledge these people or the sites or the books you refer or you take help of. So it's a normal format, and once that format has been fulfilled, even I would do the formal way. Like, thank you very much, your presentation was nice, your this thing was nice, whatever. So give me that opportunity to speak about you, and we will do it from next session onwards. Anyways, तो Saturday को हम एक बार करेंगे. उसमें भी उसके पहले I would like to suggest you all to आप सब लोग एक बार Zoom मीटिंग में मिलिए. ठीक है, आप सभी बच्चे जितने लोग आप लोग Zoom मीटिंग पे मिलिए. आप लोग एक दूसरे से बात करिए, स्क्रीन शेयर करने की कोशिश करिए, कैसे कैसे किया जा सकता है, कैसे कैसे नहीं किया जा सकता है, इस सब के बारे में जानिए. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को ओरिएंट करिए बिफोर कमिंग
We'll sign off today. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Saturday.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.